Hello, going to bring you welcome to our Breakaway XC box break. This is for the 2013-2014 Upper Deck, the Cup box break number 12. Here's the last one for auction. There's Edmonton. So there was any 221-328-275. That's any 221-328-275. There you go. Good luck, everybody. So the base card for the Sabres of Dominik Hasek, 32/249. And patch out a rookie, 61/249, and Nick Bjugstad for the Panthers. We got a short-term rookie and his jersey number 30/44 for the Leafs of Morgan Rielly. A Brilliance Auto for the Nashville Predators of Philip Forsberg. And we got a gold base 3/25 for the Canadiens of PK Subban. They finish off the Enshrinements Auto for the Canadiens of Larry Robinson, 46/60 to finish off the break. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.